Now, I'm going to discuss on the topic techniques of measuring risk. There are different techniques of measuring risk. The first one is sensitivity analysis. The sensitivity analysis is analysis of risk by using variable quantity based on net present value. The second method is scenario analysis. Scenario analysis is a measurement of risk which focus on number of interconnected variables. By analyzing the various interconnected variables, we can assess the risk. And the third one is decision tree analysis. Decision tree analysis is a semantic tree-shaped diagram used to determine the course of action or to show a statistical probability. The next method is Euler model. Euler model is a model to assess the risk involved in project by using expected net present value and standard deviation. The next method is selection under risk. So by using various tools and techniques, the risk can be assessed for a particular project. So under the risk, we can use payback period, risk adjusted discount rate, certainty equivalent method to assess the risk ability or risk of the individual project. The next method is break-even analysis. Break-even analysis is a technique which determines minimum productions and sales amount to avoid losing money. In simple, break-even analysis is situation where no profit and no loss. The next technique is risk management. Sometimes the risk can be managed by various strategies through focus on pricing. By comparing the competitor pricing, we can increase or decrease to reduce the risk of sales reduction. Cost, if the costs are so high, we can reduce the risk or we can implement a various cost strategy. Leverage, if we have too much of debt, so there is a risk involved. By having a proper structure or proper leverage, we can reduce the risk. Insurance, to avoid the risk. Insurance is a risk management strategy where transfer of risk from one individual to another individual. By applying any of the following method, we can reduce the risk. So that is where the method called risk management method. The next method is practical risk analysis. Practical risk analysis involves acceptable certainty, margin of safety, conservative revenue approach, and revenue estimation and judgmental analysis. By using all these parameters, we can analyze the practical risk involved in the project. And the last one is corporate risk analysis. Corporate risk analysis is a tools or techniques which focus on factors influence the project in terms of entire cash flow of the firm. So that means the method of corporate risk analysis consider the entire risk involved in the firm's operations. So these are the various techniques of risk management. Thank you.